Hello everyone, my name is Komal and you are watching The Ordering. So I'm back with some entertainment masala and some entertainment news for all of you guys. So just subscribe the button Ordering for the latest updates and breakings. So guys, you all know that Bigg Boss is a show of controversies, and whosoever came in a Bigg Boss for a short period of time also, he became the star all over the nation. He got fame, he got money, everything. And I think everyone's get a dream to be in a Bigg Boss house. So today we are going to talk about that celebrities who were, after the show they become the star without winning, or with winning some contestant became star of their lives after the show. So let's talk about that stars who became the stars after the show. So as we go to back, we all know that Srishant, who was in Bigg Boss season 9 with Deepika Kakkar, became far most popular outside the house, and even though he didn't get the trophy, but still he became the star of that show, and people are remembering Srishant as a cricketer, as a Bigg Boss runner-up. So that is different. I just talk about star which I got from Bigg Boss season 13, which is Shehnaz Gill. I think there is no one in this world, I can say in this country, who don't know about that chubby Punjabi girl who brought and who came from a background of a music industry, and she don't know anything about Mumbai and even know about anyone. And when she left from the show, she became star. She becomes the star of the nation, not from the Bigg Boss, from all over the world. She gets so much of love that today, the child, the people of each and every age remembers her, and her value has become so high. The same season I'm talking about Asim Riaz, who also didn't win, but he was the runner of a Bigg Boss 13, because out of the house the huge crowd was waiting for him. He is became star because coming from known to him and becoming that star when everyone, Asim Riaz, conquered that journey, and people loving him watching to the screen. His videos, his music videos, everything is going to be hit when he came out of the house. Not only the winners, not the winners who get the trophy, but the winners who got the trophy also became so popular after the show. When we talking about the Bigg Boss season 13, Siddharth Shukla, who was the winner of the show, he also became a star. People also get not finding anyone, but Siddharth steal the show by his fights, by his aggression, by his friendship with Shehnaz. He already ruled that show, and after he's doing so much of become the star and the star of his show. Siddharth Shukla, when we are talking about this, Rubina Dialek, we all know that Rubina Dialek has come from the background when we know her as a Kinnar in Shakti Astatva Ka S, but we never want to see her side of her personal lives and the personal regrets. We don't know about Abhinav also. We don't know about Rahul Vaidya also. These are people who become star after the show. Rahul Vaidya steals the show. Rahul Vaidya is everyone's favorite. Abhinav Shukla is the most gentleman person in the house, everyone say. So Abhinav Shukla, Rahul Vaidya, Rubina Dialek, I think in this season many of the contestant reach their journey of fame. Nikki Tamboli, Rakhi Sawant lost their plot, and after so many times she get back to their plot. So I think Bigg Boss is not the season where people get their fame, money, but they get a second opportunity to their life and to their career towards in films or music industry, and these stars have conquered it. We are not talking about some stars who have performed exceptionally in their journeys as well as in their career also. When we are talking about Nikki Tamboli, who was Mofat in the Bigg Boss house, but right now she is also doing very good in films and movies, music videos. Jasmine Bhasin, Ali Ghoni, they both were also known as Khatro Ke Khiladi contestant before, but in this show gave them a new platform for their friendship turns into love, and they both are doing dual videos together. And Jasmine Bhasin also has gained much more popularity after Bigg Boss. She has raised like 4.1 million followers after doing Bigg Boss. So Bigg Boss is not about who is going to win, but whosoever going to be win. The winners or the losers, everyone becomes the stars. थैंक यू. आई विल मीट यू अगेन विद माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए अलविदा, नमस्कार, बाय.